If you want to view and use calculation history in the iPhone Calculator app, here's how to do it on iOS 26. First, open the Calculator app on your iPhone. After performing a calculation, tap the clock icon button located in the top left corner of the screen to open your recent calculations. If you want to continue working with a previous calculation, simply tap on it and it will be brought back into the Calculator app. You can scroll through your history to find older calculations and quickly reuse numbers whenever needed. This feature is especially useful when you're working with multiple calculations and need to keep track of earlier results. If you want to clear your history, open the History panel and tap Edit. Then tap the Clear icon to remove all saved calculations or remove your history from your calculator. And that's how to use calculation history in the iPhone Calculator app on iOS 26.